Everyone uses ChatGPT. Everyone uses LinkedIn, but neither of them is designed to automatically find and organize the exact people you need. Meet Lessie AI, the world's first people search AI agent. Unlike ChatGPT, which gives you information and leaves the rest to you, you still have to manually search, filter, verify, and organize everything yourself. Lessie AI is built to handle that entire workflow for you. Instead of spending hours searching LinkedIn, podcasts, and databases for clients, influencers, experts, founders, collaborators, or investors, it automates the process of identifying, sourcing, reviewing, ranking, and organizing the right people. You get a structured, ranked list that is ready for outreach.
So today, I'm going to walk you step by step through how Lessie AI works and test whether it can realistically replace hours of manual research.
This is the dashboard. To begin, I'll click New Chat in the top left corner. Since my niche is AI, I'm going to run a real search relevant to my content. AI startup founders building AI agents under Series B. I'll type that into the prompt box and hit Enter. Within seconds, the system outlines the plan it will use to execute the search. It analyzes the request, identifies key criteria, searches across relevant sources, filters for strong matches, and prepares a structured summary. This isn't just a basic keyword search. It's interpreting intent and narrowing results based on relevance. And here's the result list. The profiles are ranked from strongest match to weaker matches. Fully matched profiles appear first, followed by partially matched ones, which saves you from manually scanning through irrelevant results. Each profile includes useful details such as match percentage, profile link, company name, job title, department, region, and other contextual data. Instead of jumping between multiple tabs and platforms, everything is centralized in one place. Now let's click into one profile. When selected, a detailed side panel opens with additional information, including an AI-generated summary, professional background, skills, education, and contact information. This removes the need to manually gather information from multiple platforms. One notable feature is direct email access, which eliminates the need to search across social media for contact details. Now let's look at the outreach feature. I'll click the email icon to open the Compose panel. Instead of writing everything from scratch, I can use AI Compose. I'll type, "Write a personalized outreach email proposing a collaboration between my AI-focused YouTube channel and this founder startup. Keep it friendly, confident, and concise." Then I'll click Generate. The AI creates a structured draft instantly. This gives you a strong starting point. However, outreach works best when it feels human, so I'll refine the message slightly by adding, "I've been following your recent work in AI agents and really appreciate your approach to specific detail." That small adjustment makes the email feel more authentic and personalized. AI gives you speed, but personalization improves your chances of getting a reply. Once everything looks good, you can send the email directly from the platform. This removes friction from the outreach process and keeps everything in one workflow. After reviewing a profile, if you're not ready to reach out immediately, you can click Save to My List. This stores the profile inside your dashboard so you can easily come back to it later. Over time, this makes it easy to build a short list of relevant contacts without needing to run the same search again. Once you've saved the people you're interested in, you can go to My List to view them all in one place. If you prefer to work outside the platform, you also have the option to export your contacts. By clicking Export, the list downloads as an Excel file, which makes it easy to integrate into your own CRM, share with a team, or review offline later. And if you only want to export specific profiles, you can simply select them using the checkbox and export just those contacts. This gives you flexibility depending on whether you want to continue outreach inside Lessie AI or manage it externally. Here's where I see the biggest value. If you're building an AI, conducting startup research, looking for collaborators, recruiting talent, or building targeted contact lists, this can significantly reduce manual LinkedIn searching.
It's not replacing ChatGPT, it's doing something different. Structured people discovery combined with organized outreach execution.
Think of it as operational AI rather than conversational AI. If you'd like to try Lessie AI yourself, I've placed the official website, the product link, and my invite code in the description below. I also arranged a 50% discount for viewers, so if you decide to try it, you can use the code OPES50 at checkout. If you're serious about finding the right people faster for partnerships, hiring, or research, it's definitely worth experimenting with. And if you do try it, let me know in the comments what kind of people you searched for. I'm curious to see the different use cases you come up with. @LessieAI.